We just put our hands in the boiling water. Are you kidding me? So we have made it to Barcelona. Charlie almost got deported. It was so close. There was like 7 policemen around our car and like asking like, your visa is expired, blah 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 blah. But we got it all sorted out. He's not getting deported. He is on the ferry now, and I'm just waiting to get on there. Yeah, we're going to Sardinia. I'm stoked out of my mind. Quick update. It's like an hour later, and I'm still not on the boat. All right, it's 2:30. 2:30. We're moving again. Let's go. We're moving. We're getting there. Hopefully I'll find Charlie back in there. Now I've got to find my way out of this thing. Alright, I have no idea where Charlie is. Or it could be, so wish me luck. Just gonna go to, I don't know, just walk around until I find him, I guess. He's probably knocked out in some chair somewhere, as I know Charlie. Sick one, I found the deck. But where the heck is Charlie, man? Far out. This thing is smoky. Alright, this looks more like Charlie could be somewhere around here. There's the casino, people are there, there's seats everywhere, so let's hope we find him here. That's not him. Maybe he's chilling somewhere here. I found him! Phew! We just went snorkeling for like 1.5 hours right around this little island over there. It was pretty sick. We're in Sardinia. We actually had a sick surf as well at another spot called Boogaroo. Check this out. Now we're boiling some pasta, and as you can tell, the water is boiling nice in there. Now we're trying to have a challenge who can hold his hand in there longer. So I'm just gonna send it. That's gonna hurt so bad. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Ah! Oh, oh, this is insane, dude. Look at how much it's boiling. Oh, far out, man. We just put our hands in the boiling water. Are you kidding me? Psych. It's just sparkling water. It's still cold. Ah, gotcha. Not funny, okay.